Hi all. Today we will discuss philosophy as a subject of study. So let us first of all see what is the meaning of philosophy or as a subject of study where this particular subject is included. So philosophy is included in the group of disciplines collectively termed as humanities. Humanities subjects. Philosophy is one among that. And philosophy in simple terms can be vision. It's a vision of an individual, vision of an institution, vision of a nation, or vision of an action. So that simple meaning that vision itself has different dimensions when we approach it philosophically. Set the vision from individual to nation or to personal to action. And philosophy as a discipline emerged or developed based on thinking of or output of thinking of people from ancient times. And it deals with knowledge. And it's a saying where science stops, there philosophy begins. Because in science, we know studying on the basis of evidences, empirical evidences, experimentation and verification. And there will be definite boundaries for science, beyond which science cannot proceed. But philosophy has no boundaries. Everything comes under, or philosophy can deal everything in relation to living as well as non-living beings. Anything and everything. And it includes general ideas, not specific as in the case of science, general sense. And many things in philosophy are still abstract, which is difficult to understand. So, what is philosophy? We can define philosophy as study of thought concerning nature, metaphysics, ethics, aesthetics, being, knowledge, logic, and all manner of theory. So philosophy, by definition, you can understand that it is more theoretical. It provides a sound foundation by proposing essential theories. So study of thought, that thinking that I earlier mentioned, that thought regarding nature. Nature means the environment, then human nature, nature of the individual. Metaphysics, the reality. Ethics, aesthetics, being, the existence of life, human beings, the meaning of living, knowledge, logic, and all such things. As we seen earlier, everything, that thinking with respect to everything and anything can be philosophy. So it's more theoretical. You know, it's the term originated Greek, synonymous to love of wisdom. So seeking wisdom. So that's the meaning of philosophy. Always in search for. When we have knowledge to some extent, we should seek for more. So to reach up to wisdom. And it analyzes the ways in which humans experience the world. So the philosophy see this world through experience of human beings in different ways. There are different thoughts, different viewpoints, different visions within the philosophy, different schools of philosophy, different thoughts of philosophy. And in most all those schools or systems or thoughts, everything concerned to human being or based on human experiences. So that's philosophy. And you know the basic major divisions of philosophy: axiology, metaphysics, and epistemology. The three major divisions: ethics and aesthetic. Usually the divisions of axiology, which deals with theory of values, then metaphysics, theory of reality, epistemology, theory of knowledge. So these are the basic major divisions, these three divisions. In education also, these three divisions has profound influence on education system in different institutions and of different nations. So the axiology, the ethics, how far it is ethical, and the beauty, the concept of beauty, the right and wrong, the concept of truth, all these things. So that comprises a major division of philosophy. Then what is reality according to human or with respect to human experience? That deals with metaphysics and types of knowledge and how human beings are able to acquire knowledge. What are the different forms of knowledge? How can we get each of such form or type of knowledge? That is dealt by epistemology. The logic and reason are the two major powerful tools of philosophy. So by using this logic as well as reason, philosophy analyzes the nature, the human beings, experience of human beings, significance of nature, and significance of life, knowledge, everything. So in the next presentation, you can see the more details regarding the influence of these divisions on education and what is the relation between philosophy and education, especially with respect to this axiology, metaphysics, and epistemology. So that's the end of this presentation. Thanks for watching.